Hi everyone, it's Self Care Differently here. Welcome to my homemade beauty corner. Today I'm super excited because this video is Halloween special and I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin body scrub inspired by Halloween spirit. I hope you will like it, so let's dive in and have some fun. To create this body scrub, I'm starting with the oil phase, where all the oil soluble ingredients are combined. You will find the detailed recipe and the complete list of ingredients in the description box below, so don't worry. The main ingredient in this body scrub is pumpkin seed oil. It's a great moisturizer and helps reduce redness and irritation. Let's set aside the oil phase and move on to the water phase. The second key ingredient in this recipe is pumpkin infusion. I prepared this by infusing 10% of pumpkin powder in 90% hot distilled water. I'm also using glycerin as a humectant in the water phase. Now it's time to work on our surfactant phase. This phase will turn our recipe into a luxurious foaming body scrub. In this phase, I'm keeping it so simple. I have Coco betaine, a gentle cleanser that creates a rich lather, and acide, a coconut-based surfactant that will clean your skin without drying it. Now we are going to heat everything at the same temperature using a double boiler. Now that everything is at the same temperature, we can create our emulsion. Pour the water phase into the oil phase and never the other way around. Then mix everything using an emulsion blender. This will help blend the water and oil phases together and create a smooth and creamy mixture. Now add your surfactant phase into the mixture and mix again using your immersion blender to make sure that everything is well combined. Oh my god, it looks so creamy. I really love how it turned out. After mixing all the phases, it's important to let the preparation cool down at room temperature before adding the cool down phase ingredients. To add a spicy kick to the scrub, I'm using cinnamon and nutmeg essential oils. Remember, you can find all the ingredients listed in the description box below. Now it's time to add the ingredient that are going to give the exfoliation property to the scrub. It's sugar. Sugar is a great gentle exfoliant and will leave your skin feeling incredibly smooth. Mix using your spatula until the sugar is well combined. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I really love it. The texture is so amazing. It's so creamy. Let's check the pH of our preparation. The pH is 5.26, which is great. You should always make sure that the pH is between 4.5 and 5.5. So to make this scrub a little bit more fun, I'm going to divide it into two beakers in order to add different colorants to the beakers. The first one, I'm going to use the orange mica powder, and the second one is green mica powder. Body scrub is now completely ready, so I'm going to proceed to the packaging. I'm using this plastic wrap to make it more easy for me, and I just have to admit that it was a little bit sticky. So yeah, it wasn't that easy. It wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. Thank you so much for joining me in this magical DIY adventure. If you enjoyed creating this enchanting pumpkin spice body scrub with me, and if you want to explore more delightful potions and beauty secrets, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to have you as a part of our magical community. Don't forget to click the bell icon too, so you never miss a moment of our enchanting journey together. And also, don't forget to let me know what you thought about this video. Any feedback is welcome. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. It's time to put our pumpkin spice body scrub to the test. It feels so good applying this on my skin. The creamy texture, the delightful aroma. I really feel the scent of nutmeg and cinnamon, and it feels so good. The exfoliation is also gentle yet effective. After rinsing, my scales feel incredibly soft and pampered. So I really hope you like this recipe. And so until the next video, take care and happy Halloween.